So I'm on this 2022 Can-Am RR. I just did a maintenance and it has the maintenance required light. Let's see, I'll show you guys. I thought it had an easier way to reset it, because on mine's a 2021 and it's the Turbo R. I just reset it through here. I just go to settings. Oh, this one does have it. So let's try and reset it that way. So all you do is, let's start from the beginning. I couldn't find that earlier, but I guess it does have it. I was gonna do the override brake for you guys. Let this completely shut off. Hopefully it is that easy. I was messing with it right before this, before I decided to make this little video, and I couldn't find it. So put the key on, hit the start, and then it's gonna go through those. So engine temp, settings, maintenance reset. So let's see if that works. We'll hold it, and it looks like it erased it. Let's hit menu, speed. Earlier it said reset stats. I wasn't getting the other one. Reset stats, we'll reset that as well. Let's go to exit and let's fire it up. And it was right under there. Let's see if it comes back up. That's weird. Right before this video it wasn't showing it that way. So I was just gonna make this video for you guys, but it looks like on the 2022 it's pretty easy. The other way, I don't know if it would have worked, is where you have it off and you go through the same process. You put the key on, you hit start, and you hit override brake, override brake, override brake, like pretty quickly after you hit start. Then you hit stop, take the key out, let it reset, and then it should be reset. But that way it's kind of hard. It takes a bit to get it, a few attempts at least. So we got performance key, sport mode, and right after the sport mode we would have got the maintenance required, but it looks like it did reset. So hopefully this video helps you guys. I was looking up on YouTube and Google and there was no straight answer. I know within the years the process of it doing it changes. This is a 2022 X3 Turbo RR, and this is the way you do it.